Trailers, the winner's choice, made right here in Christchurch since 1975. More than 43,000 hard-working examples out there so far. 10-year commercial or 20-year private use not abuse structural fatigue warranty. Hot tip galv or painted finish, biggest range, biggest warranty, best resale value. Over 40 years of doing it right. Don't settle for less, buy the best. Briford Trailers, still strong on Rutherford Street, Woolston. 0800 2 Briford. Briford.co.nz.